Some of us come to race, but sometimes things don't go according to plan. Just like what happened to me here. I almost crashed.
Wow! Let's do that again!
No! This is the satellite road where us bikers come to unwind and have fun. Some of us come here to view, some of us come here to have a jolt with our friends. Some of us come to do stunts. So let's get into this video and let me show you exactly how it feels to be at the satellite road.
What? This guy, get around. Did you smoke him?
But honestly, I love coming here to push my own limits. I then decided to race a Triumph Speed Triple. Check who won at the end of the video. But the other exciting part is I'm going to show you the exact jewels that we have at the satellite road on the next upload. So look out for that. Yo, y'all know we're going to the satellite road, baby. I'm not going to be racing, unfortunately, at satellite today. But I'm going to be looking at the G's as they make their way and have fun. So we're going to be seeing the guys racing their boulders. I'm going to show you all types of bikes. Hello. I'm going to show you all types of bikes that the guys come there to race. And I'm telling you, I'm talking about from the small guys right to the big baby, So we're going to make it happen. Yo, cyclists. Oh yeah, if you want to learn how to ride a motorcycle, contact Monthly One Riding Academy. They'll show you everything that you need to know on how to ride a motorcycle. And then, if you want a ramp for your motorcycle, whether if you want to put it on your body or if you want to be able to move your bike in the garage with ease, contact Etrad. I'll put all links in the description. Taking it easy, as I said, I'm not going to be racing, but I had a little bit of fun on the road here, coming here. That's what? That's us. You know, baby. You know, baby. Hi, by the way. Make it happen, baby. Yeah, you know. Okay, let's see if we can maybe make not a lot of pulls, just one pull. I said I'm gonna go once. You're gonna go as well. Not so full today. Yo! That bird almost fucking kicked me. Cut into me. I'm freaking dazed. Like halfway dazed. That almost turned sour. Yeah, I'm good now. I'm gonna go park and then record the rest of the G's. And make it happen, baby. You guys at least I pulled like 2 pulls. Oh, hey, look at that. Is that Undertaker? No, I don't think that's Undertaker. Today's gonna be a wild one. Yeah, it is Undertaker. How you doing? You good? You good? Today seems a bit quiet, huh? But it's a bit better this way actually. Right? Are you gonna go for a pool? Yeah. Is it? Okay. Maybe I might join you. Fuck. Crazy Don didn't... First gear. First gear. Gear 1. I'm rolling and we gas on. Get at this side, we gas on. At this side, we start rolling, yeah, from this side. Yeah, gear 1. Yes, yes. Let's go. My gas is finished. Check the wheelie. Now we're talking about control. Now that's control, I'm telling you. That's it. Yo, baby. You know. Say